What is your occupation currently? Do you still work as a lawyer? Tell us about your previous job. Where did you work before?
Previous. Your resume is excellent. Your experience and skills are amazing.
A computer engineer. Engineer. Excellent. Have your skills improved? Improved. Did you work as an engineer?
An excellent cover letter.
Excellent.
I started a small company 2 years ago.
Tell us. Tell us about your previous experience. Previous experience.
Experience.
On stage.
Degree. 70.
Reunion.
Engine.
Previous experience. Previous. R. Previous experience. Experience.
Work.
I have worked for many companies. A stressful occupation. Stress occupation.
I worked as a chef for 20 years.